Hey everybody, welcome to my homestead. I'm Kaye. And if you saw today's video, you know we've had a deluge of rain, but it seems to be slightly drying up, but it's getting cold. Now, I don't have my onion beds prepared, but I received my onions this week from Dixondale Farms, and I got a lot. I wrote my neighbor last night, and I sent him a picture of 2 of these boxes, and he said, "Why so many?" And I said, "Sell, barter, or give away." And I said, "I have to have something to offer you besides winter squash because you won't take any money from me for helping me." And he laughed. Anyway, I just wanted to go through my onions that I received, show you what I'm growing. And I just talked to Dixondale, and they said that, I said, "I'm not going to get these in the ground for like 2 weeks. And how do I take care of them in the meantime?" Now, Tom Anderson had already told me to undo the rubber bands and spread them out, but I've got so many, they are like 3 and 4 inch deep in here. So I'm going to have to thin them out even more, spread them out even more, and she said put them in a cold, dark place. Cold, dark, dry place. So the only cool, dry place is upstairs in the closet with the winter squash. So I'm going to spread all these out. I'm going to show you what I'm growing, and then I'm going to take them upstairs, but stay tuned. So I decided to really go for it this year because I cleared that huge 50 by 100 foot space down there, and I want to utilize it. And everybody likes onions, right? Most people do anyway. And so ever since I've been back in Tennessee, I have been eating these really sweet onions. I had pretty much stopped eating onions in California because they're so strong and, you know, they don't digest that well. But these sweet onions cook down and they're just delicious, roasted in soups, caramelized, all kinds of ways. So I just, wanted to try to grow as many as I could. And of course, when I first came here, one of my goals was to have a picnic table down by the street and sell excess of my abundance on the honor system. So that was always in the back of my mind to do. These are the shallots. So as you can see, they're about 2 or 3 deep here. I'm going to have to maybe do 2 trays for these. Plus I need my domes because I am now planting seedlings in earnest. So I'll have to get some boxes. These are the Texas Legend. Now, Tom suggested I get these because they keep longer. So I got 2 bunches of those. I think I got 2 bunches of everything. These are the candy, the white candy. Some of them are quite small, and some of them are much bigger, just like shallots. These are Lancelot leeks. And leeks, I believe, are a biennial, meaning they produce seeds in the 2nd year. So, I just can't wait to get and plant these. The red candy apple. So I have white and red candy apples, so both of those are sweet. Then I have shallots and I have leeks. And Texas Legend. I'm trying to get all of these in one because I'm running out of trays. Pretty easy to tell the leeks from the regular onions. While I'm getting these up the stairs, it's going to take several trips. I hope you'll take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications. Scroll down and click all so you won't miss anything right here on the homestead. Well, I'm glad that's done. Now all I have to do is prepare the ground and get the onions planted and protect them from pests and disease and harvest them and weed them and everything. But I would love to have a success and have a big crop of something. And so I'm going great guns for onions. We'll see. I've also got, a fair amount of garlic. Nothing compared to onions, but I want to have vegetables, things that people like that I can barter or sell or share, with people in need. So maybe even my own family, who knows? So we all need to get our prepper pantry stocked. And we've been talking a lot about that and being more self-sufficient. And if you don't have a wood-burning fireplace, figure out, do you have a backup generator? What will you do in a power outage? Go back and take a look at my exercise in going without power for 24 hours. Maybe it'll give you some ideas. There are other things that you can do also, because a lot of people don't have wood-burning fireplaces. So what will you do? Who can you fall back on? Who can you rely on to help you in time of need? So be thinking about those things and try to get a list prepared so you have a plan. And a plan will make you much more confident. So I hope that's helpful. And if I've helped you, I hope you'll subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Let's see how these are doing. I really have to plant these potatoes.